Hey there, I'm Britt and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
A great house for you over in the very popular neighborhood of Mill Bayou. A lot of folks love this neighborhood for the community pool, gorgeous craftsman-style homes, and proximity to a very popular charter school, North Bay Haven Academy. Let's go check out the home. The things you'll love about this home, it has a nice, big, open concept living room and kitchen. I really love the large kitchen island. You'll also notice the attention to detail throughout the home, like the tray ceiling. I especially love the primary bedroom. You'll notice the double vanity and the bathroom, very spacious with a separate shower and tub and a really great walk-in closet. You'll notice all new hardwood floors throughout this great home. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 3,000 square feet. There's plenty of room for anything you can dream up. All in this great neighborhood of Mill Bayou with an affordable HOA and a community pool. So if you like what you saw over here in Mill Bayou, make sure you look at the description below. There you'll find helpful links like listing photos and more. And wait, don't stop. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.